Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Using a 5mm Allen key, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the engine cover. Then remove it. You will now be able to see the diesel filter, which is located in the center of the engine compartment. Remove the electric connector by lifting up the plastic holding spur and pulling on the socket to release it. Remove the diesel inlet conduits from the diesel filter. To do this, use your fingers or pair of pliers to push on the collared part of each end of the hose, then pull upwards to extract it. Repeat the same process for the other 2 hoses. You must now drain the filter. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Unscrew the drain screw under the filter to release the diesel contained in the cartridge. Then screw it back in. Unscrew the flange cover on the diesel filter by turning it anti-clockwise. Take it out carefully, letting it drip for a few seconds into the filter casing. Remove the O-ring on the filter box. Separate the filter cartridge from the cover. Clean the cover with brake cleaner fluid and a piece of tissue. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Make sure you lightly oil the filter seal. Clip the new filter into the cover. Then put the clamping clip back on. Put the seal in place on the filter housing. Then put everything back in the filter housing and finally screw the clamping clip back in, fixing it in place by hand. Clip all the diesel filter hoses back in. Finally, put the electric connector back. Turn the key a few times to make sure that the filter has been properly primed. Put the engine cover back on and screw it into place. Operation completed.